Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to withdraw your money or whatever rewards you earn through Google Opinion, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. So the first thing that you may want to know here is if it's actually possible. Now, if you try visiting any of the support pages or forums out there within the Google ecosystem here, notice that it has a common saying, or they have a common answer to that. So currently, since like Google Opinion rewards are being earned through or are being accredited to your Google account, specifically through Google Play, well, in this case, if it's accredited via that way, you won't be able to cash them out. So meaning you can only use them within Google's ecosystem. Like for example, for paying for apps, services, or any apps that you may want to buy or get inside Google Play Store. So you can actually get in some cases, but not every time. Now, in some cases, for iPhone users or iOS users out there, they would have the possibility of claiming their rewards via PayPal. But then again, it depends totally on your account. So if you're using an iOS, you may see an option that says withdraw through PayPal, and they will require you to enter your PayPal account, or you may need to log into your PayPal account to complete the whole withdrawal process. But then again, this totally depends on your account. Sometimes it's available, sometimes it's not. But the general answer is no. As of right now, you can only use those rewards that you earn within or inside the Google ecosystem. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.